Hey everyone, this is Joe. This is an intro video to provide an example of what I'm going to be providing on my free video update on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So stay tuned. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to be covering a variety of things, and I'm going to be changing it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'll cover the Dow on Monday, the S&P on Wednesday, the NASDAQ on Friday type of thing, and rotate through. I'll have different indicators, different things I'm looking at. Try to keep it short. But let's start off with the Dow, and then I'll give you more details in a second. So the Dow was down pretty big today, almost 300 points, and it was over 300 at one point. It's closing now back below the 10. I believe we're in a fifth minute wave down, and this is a fifth wave of a third minor wave down, okay? And so what I've done is I've drawn a line from the bottom of 2 to 4 and projected out a parallel line from the low here of 3, and you can project and say, well, 5 has a decent chance of bottoming near the end of there. Now, it doesn't always, but it's just one target to keep in mind. I'll also be looking at Fibonacci projections on that wave. But right now, it sure looks like and acts like it's wanting to resume the downtrend. The VIX, though, was a little not as bullish on the VIX. I would have thought it would have gone to a new high here, higher than yesterday, and maybe broken out of this little pennant. But we didn't get that today, so that's a little flag in my mind, that I'm kind of looking at. Oil dropped down dramatically today, down over 5%. So you can see USO just continues to plumb back down. And right now I'm looking at the futures on West Texas is $29.70. So it's back under $30. So the trend just continues to push to the downside. Twitter was the big loser on my screen today. I did not have one single positive stock out of 33 on my main screen that I'm tracking, that I trade options on anyway. And Twitter was down. This is a new all-time closing low on a close anyway. You can see here was the prior low back here. And here's all the trading on Twitter, and here's where it went public, and it's just not a pretty picture. And right now, a lot of people may have gotten, got trapped in this rumor of a buyout yesterday, and then it didn't happen. And then the other thing, to the other extreme, Coach has been pushing higher. I mean, dramatic moves to the high side here as it reinforced its revenue picture and all of that. Coach was not up today, but it was down the smallest of anything. It was only down 6 cents, so practically unchanged. Now, when you look at the long-term picture, this thing is in a big downtrend from March of 2012, so almost 4 years of lower lows and lower highs. Just keep pushing down. And that trend hasn't changed, and we're right at a trend line here. And given the sharp move up like that it's had, I wouldn't be surprised to see this form resistance, and especially given the market environment. All right, that's the picture for tonight. I'm going to start this new video tomorrow, the whole newsletter video update type thing. You do need to opt in for this. Click on the link down below. All videos are going to be sent out via email only. They're not going to be posted here on YouTube. They're going to be, in the emails. And so that's going to be a video newsletter that I'm going to start Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it's free. So hope you found it helpful, and we will talk to you on the next video.